Want to change your default translation service with Lufe AI? Then in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're currently using Lufe AI like myself here, I'm currently using Google Chrome. If you look to the upper right hand side, you can see that I have the extension here when I click on it. This is the features that it contains, and as you can see here, there's a section that says translation service, right? This is basically where the translation is currently set to Google right now, but I can always switch this to another engine. Take for example Bing, I can switch this. But what if I want to set Bing as my default? I can always do that by simply clicking on the settings at the bottom, and then you will see an option on the left hand side that says translation service. You have a few options that you can choose from, so you can always go ahead and set it as default. So currently Google is set as my default translation service, but I can always choose Bing by clicking on set as default, and it's gonna now set as default. So the next time I'm currently using the translation, if I click on the upper right hand side to access the extension, it will now show Bing as my default translation service. And that's it, guys. That's how to change your translation service or change your default translation service on Lufe AI.